Well, there's an upcoming Supreme Court case on campaign finance that could eliminate current contribution limits. And Massachusetts Senator Elizabeth Warren is saying that is a huge problem. Warren said this week, the quote, "If the court continues in the direction of Citizens United, we may move another step closer to neutering Congress's ability to limit the influence of money in politics." Now, she also said that the case could potentially allow for unlimited contributions from wealthy donors and corporations to candidates. So, Jason, can you give us a little bit of a background on this case?
Sure. One of the things that's happening in this case that's before the Supreme Court is a guy named Sean McCutcheon has raised a First Amendment argument on the grounds that the FEC is preventing him from making the level of donations that he feels he should be allowed to make. The people countering this case have cited numerous precedent for the Supreme Court to chew on as far as what constitutes corruption in the eyes of the founders. One of the things you have to remember here is this free speech argument is a little bit specious. The simple fact of the matter is that if the Supreme Court rules in favor of the plaintiff, we get further and further to a point where political speech really requires you to have hundreds of thousands of dollars to just burn on it. It crowds out the voices of everybody who's not some rich oligarch. And this is a problem that first came up when Citizens United passed. And we are really losing the thread as far as curtailing the amount of money in politics. I mean, we're sort of past the point where it's become problematic, and now we're going into the point where we may have a point of no return on this.